Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to open this Happy Mail from Citrus Twist Kits, and I am going to be designing for them these next few months using their holiday kit, and I'm going to be sharing those videos on YouTube. And here is the list of the items in the kit. I love the Citrus Twist stamps. They're really good quality. These are also pretty good for cards. You have Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Naughty, Jingle All the Way, but they're also small enough that you can stamp on photos, which is my favorite thing to do. We got these big bag of chipboard shapes from Vicky Boutin, and this is what it looks like. It has a lot of stars and numbers. Love the numbers and the snowflakes. I think these look like the ones from last year. They're not listed in the kit, so I think they're extra. I did use most of them. I used a lot of them. And these are really cute. But these look like everyday. It's not holiday specific, but I do love everyday things that you can use for the holidays. And these, I also have them last year, and I use a bunch of them, especially the gold. And I'm gonna be using this Candy Apple album, and I love their albums. Let me move this a second. I made a video, a really quick video on my Instagram, actually a reel, and not only they open all the way, but they're not like flimsy. I had that issue with the Studio Calico albums, and I should show you what I mean. Okay, so first I need to calm myself down for the 2021 album because this one is so fat. What is this monster? Okay, so what I mean is that the cover like flip-flops around way too much, and when I first used the same album in 2019, I was so annoyed by it. It's a dumb complaint. It's super dumb, but this one is a lot sturdier. And it also comes with page protectors, you know, the usual 4 3x4s, 1 4x6, and 2 3x4s, 2 4x6, and the 6x8. And I love the color. So pretty. I think, yeah, this one is Candy Apple. Okay, let's go to the kit now. The box has a lot of these little pom-poms, which I'm gonna pluck and put in my little container. I think this is the official kit. Ooh, this one is really, really cute. I was talking to my friend about this collection. I love the colors, and this is foam. Oh, they're foam stickers. It's just, they look like chipboard, but they felt light. But they're pretty like sturdy for foam. Really pretty. Mix and Mingle. This is the collection from Simple Stories. Love pink, my December daily. I also have these mittens and mistletoe from Crate Paper. It has so many cute items. Oh, this is so cute. And I do have pictures with our mugs. And oh, I love Citrus Twist Office because you guessed it, they have numbers. They always, like almost always, I don't think I have a single pack of Citrus Twist kits stickers that don't have numbers, and that's why they are my favorite stickers. Also, the fonts are also really cute. And yeah, always have a bunch of letters too. A different Citrus Twist cardstock stickers. Again, numbers and a bunch of them, not like one of each, which I absolutely love. And these are the papers. Oh, that's so pretty too. I love the colors from this collection. Okay, this is so pretty. I love that paper. Oh, this is so pretty. I love these colors. They're so vibrant. Really cute. Oh, this is really pretty. Love these colors. So pretty. My favorite one is this first one, and I love this one too. This one is so joyful. I don't know why. Yeah. Put this here with the super cute doilies and puffy stickers, and these are from Prima, and I love the peppermint. So cute. And the presents. These are the cards. I'm gonna leave those for the end. Okay, here in the back you have all the die cuts. The house is so cute. And the little, I still have to print the digitals because there's a lot of, they always add labels to their ephemera packs, but I love the labels they make. Okay, oh, this is twine. Love this color. And this, oh, this is really pretty. That's so unusual. I love it. And this you can use like on a tag, and you can staple it. A little confetti. I love it. That's so cute. You know, I am a big fan of the shaker pockets. So that one's perfect for that. And these are flare buttons with a few, this paper clips. And these are similar colors. Yeah, these are the same colors as, oh, there's a white one here, as the papers. Like these 5 are from the papers, and then you get these 2 extra. Really cute. I don't use flare buttons in my project life, but I don't mind using them on December daily or layouts. I don't know why. I think it's because like in the pocket they're very weird. They like pop out. Although you can put them on top of the page protector, that works too. That's really cute. Jingle all the way. Put the items here while I look at the cards. That Santa is so cute. Jolly Saint Nick. Oh, this one's simple. Perfect for like a little photo and journaling. This is so cute. I love that one. Getting tipsy. Christmas memory. Oh, what fun. This is really cute. Oh, you can put a number here, and then that's your card for the day. Shopping. I do have lots of shopping photos. Baby, it's cold outside. Ho ho holidays. Oh, this one is the cutest. All the toys. This little holly. Oh, I love this pattern. It's so cute. Merry and bright. Keeping it real. Checking my list. That's an old school Santa. Oh, I love this one. This one's really cool. All the warm and fuzzy feelings. Santa photos. Now, last year I didn't took any Santa photos. So hopefully this year. Jingle all the way. And those are the cards and the kit. And I'm also going to link the items down below. So you can get the kit for yourself. And I can't wait to print some of the digital items. I'll show them on my Instagram. Maybe I'll share a photo in my community on YouTube for those of you who don't do Instagram. I keep forgetting about that feature. But I'll also share them in the videos and the process videos that I plan to make. And that is all. Actually, let me pick my favorite thing. I always do that with the kids. Okay, this. Are you kidding me? This is like number one. But I keep looking and being like, oh my god, but this is really cute. I love the cards too. This is really pretty. But I have to go with the foam stickers. It's just so pretty. And I love the colors. So I can't wait to use those. Let me know if you're looking forward for some done by December videos, because I'm gonna work on my December daily 2021. Since my family was here, I wasn't able to work on it during the holidays, which is what I usually prefer. But hey, it is what it is, and I had a lot of other projects that I wanted to finish, like my Disney album and things like that. So now I get to work on that, and I'm very excited, and I'm in the mood. Oh, and I forgot. Oh my god, I can't believe that. I also love this album. So, yeah, I'm gonna go for the album. Look at that red. It's so red. It's candy apple red. So, yeah. You know, I'll take them too. So that way they're not jealous. And again, I'm all over the place. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.